Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video I will teach you guys on how concatenation works in string in PHP programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my viewers, supporters, subscribers to my channel. Thank you for your support. So let's get started. So we have your sample output, string concatenation in PHP, and then we will display a title, PHP programming language. Now let us go with our editor here. Now concatenation in PHP is quite very easy, guys. So we have here less than question mark PHP echo string concatenation in PHP echo to new line $title PHP $title. Now programming in language, observe we have here the dot sign here. Dot equals will concatenate the first declaration here and then the third declaration, so it will display PHP programming language dot equals. This is the operator dot equals and then echo $title. So when we run our program, we can have the result here. Now if we want to add another, let's say we have here title equals by Jacob Samuel. Okay, assuming that the author is Jacob Samuel, let us save. Let us go to our browser. When I refresh, oh, there's an error. I forgot to put a semicolon. Okay, so as you can see, there is already added no text, no PHP programming language by Jacob Samuel. So we will have some space here and then we run again, refresh, PHP programming language by Jacob Samuel. So this is very easy, no? So when we remove, it will return to its original title. Okay, so that's it. That's simple. The use of the dot equals now to concatenate string in PHP programming language. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. So this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial on string concatenation in PHP programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.